Hello, my students, how are you? Today we'll solve a lot of questions from Muasir book. Look at question number 1. Choose the correct answer. Letter A is the value of the digit 5 in the number 5 and 45 hundredths is 5 lies in hundreds, 7 lies in unit, tenth, 4 lies in tenth, 5 lies in hundreds. So we will choose 500 because he asked about the value of the digit 5 in the number 7 and 45 hundredths. 5 lies in hundreds. Letter B, which is the first step in evaluating 19 subtract 14 plus 2 times 10 subtract 5. What is the first operation we must do it here? It's the order operation. Parentheses first, exponent next, multiplication and division in the same step, addition and subtraction if you get the nerve, first come, first serve. Okay, we have subtract, plus, multiplication, and subtract. We must do multiplication first. Okay, look at here, multiplication first. So we must write 2 times 10 is the first step, 2 times 10. And question letter 3, letter C, 3,500 divided what equals 700? We can divide it 3,500 by 700. We can cancel double zero here with double zero. 35 divided by 5 equal 5. So the result will be 5 because the question was 700. Okay, 5 multiply 700 equal 3,500. Letter D, 3 and 2 over 5 equal space as an improper fraction. We must convert from mixed number to improper. Write 5 in denominator here. 3 times 5 equal 15. 15 plus 2 equals 17. So the result will be 15 over 5. We must choose letter P about question D. Letter E, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We must choose 8 here because we have 8 sign. 32 divided by 5 equal 4 and the remainder is space. Can you tell us 4 times 5 equal 20? 4 multiply 5 equal 20 and the remainder 3. So the remainder will be 3. Again, 23 divided by 5 equal 4 and the remainder 3. Question number 2. Write to the correct answer statement and false to incorrect statement. 93 divided by 3 equal 13. True or false? Look at here. 9 divided by 3 equal 3. Okay. 93 divided by 3 equal what? We must divide by left hand side. 9 divided by 3 equal 3. 3 divided by 3 equal 1. So the result will be 31. It false. Okay. Because the result must be 31. And what about letter B? 20 divided by 5 plus 5 equal 9. True or false? Can you solve it? 20 divided by 5 equal 4. 20 divided by 5 equal what? 4. Again, repeat after me. 20 divided by 5 equal what? 4. Equal what? 4. 4 plus 5 equal 9. 4 plus 5 equal
9.
9. It's true. 3 and 7 over 10 is equivalent to 3.7. It's true because 3 and 7 over 10, we can convert it from mixed number to decimal number. 3 is the whole number and 7 over 10, we can write both point here and 7 in tenth. Okay, it was true. Letter D, 21 over 5 equal 4 and 1 over 5. It's true because 4 times 5 equal 20 and the remainder 1. We have 21 over 5 in improper fraction. We convert it from improper to mixed number. By divided, you must divide 21 by 5 equal 4 and the remainder 1. So it will be true. Letter E, the suitable way for representing the favorite color for 30 students is the line plot is true or false. You want to ask it about the suitable way. It was false because we must draw a table. Okay, 6 plus 5 multiply 2 subtract 2 equal 14. It's an order operation. Order operation tell us we must do parentheses first, exponent next, multiplication and division in the same step, addition and subtraction if we get the nerve, first to come, first serve. In this example, we have add and multiplication and subtract. What is the first operation we must do it? Multiplication or add? we must do multiplication first. So the result will be 6 plus 10 subtract by 2. 6 plus 10 equals 16. 16 subtract 2 equals 14. It will be true. Question number 3 complete. 3.3, 2.3 equal space 10th. It will be 23 tenths because 23 over 10 equal 2.3, and we have a point after one digit. The point lies between two digits, so it will be 23 tenths. It's meaning 23 divided by 10. So, okay, so we must write here 23. The result will be 23 in this space. And what about letter B? Letter B, yeah, here 10 multiplied 3 plus 15 divided by 5. Who can solve it? It's the order operation. We must do divided first. 15 divided by 5 equal 5. 10 plus 3 equal 30. So the result will be 30 plus 15 divided by 5 equal 3. Then the result will be 33. Question letter C. 6 over 7 multiply 3 over 3. We know 3 over 3 it will be 1. So the result will be what? Who can solve? It will be 6 over 7, or 3 times 6 equal 18 over 3 times 7 equal 21. 3,200 divided by what equal 400? We can cancel double zero here with double zero here. 32 divided by 4 equal what? Equal 8, because 4 times 8 equal 32. Letter E, by using the opposite line. Look at the opposite line. But as the number of children whose ages are 10 years old is. Can you tell me? X here stands for 2 children. Can you count with me? Look at here. Can you count with me here? How many boys? 1, 2, and half. Each X stands for 2. 2 plus 2 equal 4. 2 plus 2 equal 4. 4 plus 1 equal 5. So, by using the opposite line below, the number of the children whose ages are 10 years old will be 5. Will be 5. Again, we know each X, look at the K. Look at the K here. Each X stands for 2 children. Each X refers to 2 children. But this dash refers to 1 children. Okay, 1 children plus 2 equal 5 children. So the result will be 5. Okay, another example, 3 and 3 over 100. We must write as a decimal. It will be 3.03 because we can write 3 over 100, 3 hundredths. It will be 3 hundredths. Again, it was 3 hundredths, okay? It's easy or not? 3 hundredths, okay. It's a very easy question number 4. You can match, okay? You can match from left-hand side to right-hand side. Can you tell me 3 over 5 where about this? It's very easy. Look at here. 3 over 5, fifth plus fifth plus fifth. So, okay, it's very easy. Don't worry about this example. Okay, 3 over 5, we can choose 1 over 5 plus 1 over 5 plus 1 over 5. Can you solve it? 2 over 5, where here? 2 over 5. Can you solve it? Here. Look at this. It will be 2 over 5 multiplied 3 over 3 equal 2 over 5, because 3 over 3 equal 1. And 1 is the whole number. 1 times e number equal this number, such that 1 times million, the result will be million. 1 times 100, the result will be 100. Okay, so 3 over 3 equal 1. It's equivalent to 1. So we must choose letter B, change. Okay, yes, choose letter B with number 4. 3 and 1 over 5. 3, okay, excellent. 36 divided by 5. 36 divided by 5. Look at here, 7 plus 5, it's improper fraction. We must convert it from improper fraction to mixed number. Look at here, I will solve it here behind it, okay? 36 divided by 5 equal what? 5 times 7 equals 35, and the remainder 1. So we must choose letter 5. And what about 3 subtract 1 and 3 over 5? We can subtract 8. Convert. Okay, yeah, I know, but I will explain it for you. Okay, to be clever in mathematics. We can solve it here. 3 subtract 1 and 3 over 5. We can cancel here, cancel 3 and write 2 and 5 over 5. Why? Because the second term, the denominator of it is 5. So we must convert this whole number to mixed number to find the result about subtract. 2 and 5 over 5 subtract 1 and 3 over 5 equal 2 subtract 1 equal 1. And we must write 5 in denominator here. 5 subtract 3 equal 2. So the result will be 1 and 2 over 5. We will choose number 1. It's very easy about you, okay? We must pay attention about this step. It's very important, okay? We must convert from whole number to mixed number to find the result about this example. Okay, and what about question number 5? Question number 5. Compare, write more than or less than or equal to for each. Look at here, it's very easy. Can you solve it from your eye? Can you solve it from first look? It's very easy. Why? Because we have 325 divided by 7 and 325 divided by 4. Can you tell us which more? Divided by 4 or divided by 7? Divided by, huh? Divided by, speak. Huh? Divided by 4. Divided by 4. Repeat after me. Divided by
4.
4. Okay. Because the result will be more than. Okay. 2 plus 2 multiply 2 subtract 2. Can you solve it? It's the order of operation. Order of operation. Okay. 2 times 2 equal 4. 2 times 2 equal 4. Repeat after me. 2 times 2 equal
4.
4. Yeah. Excellent. So the result will be 2 plus 4 subtract by 2. 2 plus 4 equal just after 4, 5, 6. 6 plus 6 subtract 2 equal 4. And what about this example? 2 subtract 2 divided by 2 equal. Tell me. Okay, can you tell me this result? Okay, I know 4 more than, but I want the step. Can you solve by step? It's very easy. 2 divided by 2 equal 1. So we must write 2 subtract 1 plus 2. 2 subtract 1 equal 1. 1 plus 2 equal 3. So the result will be 3. Then 4 more than 3. And what about 1 over 11 and 5 over 6? Which more? Can you write the result by your mind or not? It's very easy. Look at here. Look at here. 6 times 1. 6 multiply 1 equal what? Equal 6. 6 multiply 1 equal 6. 11 times 5 equal 55. Then 55 more than 6. It's a very easy method. About this example, you must know this step. It's very easy. Again, 6 times 1 equal 6. 6 times 1 equal
6.
11 times 5 equal
55.
Excellent. Which more, 5.4 or 5.40? Can you tell me? Can you tell me this? No, it's equal. It's equal because 0 we can cancel here. The result will be 5.4. It's equal. Okay? Find the result of each of the following. You can use any strategy you prefer. Look at next paper. We can find the result here. 9,230 subtract 455. 0 subtract 5, we can't find the result. So we must borrow 1 from 3. 3 will be 2. And 0 will be 10. 10 subtract 5 will equal 5. 2 subtract 5, we can't do it because 2 is than 5. So we must borrow 1 from 2. 2 will be 1 and 2 will be 12. 12 subtract 5 equals 7. 1 subtract 4, we can do it. We can borrow 1 from 9 will be 8 and 1 will be 11. 11 subtract by 4 equals 7 because 7 plus 4 equal 11. 8 subtract 0 equal 8. So the result will be 8,775. And what about this? We can use strategy about 349 plus we can write 200 subtract 1. It's equivalent to 199. The result will be, can you solve it with me? 0 plus 9 equal 9. 0 plus 4 equal 4. 2 plus 3 equal 5. The result will be 549. Subtract by 1. We can find the result. 9 subtract 1 equal 9 subtract 1 equal 8. The result will be 548. And what about this step? 62 multiply 18. 62 multiplied by 18. 18 we can using distribute properties. 18 equal 10 plus 8. And 62 multiplied by 10. We can using distribution property. 62 times 10 plus 62 multiplied by 8. 62 multiplied by 10 equals 620. Okay, we can use associative properties here. Then we can find the result about 62 times 8. 8 times 2, 2 times 8 equals 16, 6 and carry up 1. 6 times 8 equal 48. 48 plus 1 equal 49. Then we can find the result. 6 plus 0 equals 6. 9 plus 2 equal 11. 1 and carry up 1. 5 plus 6 equal 11. So the result will be 1116. Matthew has 18, question number 7. Matthew has 18 apples. 2/3 of the apples are red. How many apples are red? Can you tell me how many apples are red? We can find the result by multiplication, 18 and third. We want, again, 2/3. 2/3, 2 over 3 multiplied by 18. 18 divided by 3 equals 6 because 3 times 6 equals 18. Okay, 18 divided by 3 equals 6. 6 times 2 equals 12. The result will be 12 apples. How many apples are it? 12 apples. 12 apples. Okay. Okay. Question number 8. Using the opposite model to answer each of the following in standard form and word form. It's very easy. Can you write in standard form? It stands for 100 teens. Units or ones. Can you find the result here? We have 201 teens. And how many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 in ones. 1 in teens. 2 in hundreds. So the result will be 2 and 19 hundredths. 2 and 19 hundredths. 2 and 19 hundredths. Again, we have 2 unit. Again, stands for 1 whole. Give us this is a whole number. It's a whole number, and this stands for 1 teens. 1 teens. Okay, and this stands for hundreds. Again, we have two whole numbers here and 19. 1 refers to 1 was 2 whole numbers and 1 teens plus stands for this stands for 100ths, 900ths. If we add them, the result will be 2 and 1900ths. We can write word form 2 and 1900ths. Okay, 2 and the what? 19 hundredths. 2 and 19 what? Hundredths. Hundredths. It's okay. Again. This example given. This shape refers to one whole number. We have 2 in whole number. And this stands for 1 teens. We can write 1 in teens. And this shape refers to hundreds. So we can write 900ths. Then if we add them, the result will be 2.1900. But if you write when you in grade 3 or grade 2, 219, but he gave us this shape. Okay, so we must reading and answer the question. What about this question? The following data show the number of hours that Ayman and Nora study 6 days. represent this data by using a double bar graph. Can you draw it here? You can draw with ruler. We will draw horizontal and vertical. Here, we must use a ruler to draw. Look at the smallest here will be half. We can write half. 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3, 3.5, 4, 4.5, 5, 5 only. Okay. Okay. We can draw here Ayman and Nora, and here Saturday. This example. This is Saturday, and we can here right here Sunday, Monday. Okay. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Okay, understood? And we can draw 3 and 4. We draw here 3 and 4, and Sunday 4.5, 4.5, and 5. And what about Monday? Monday 3 and 2.5, 3 here, and 2.5, 4.5. Tuesday 4.5, and 5, 3.5, 3.5 here, where I 3.5, and 4.5, 2 and 3, 2, 2 and 3, 2 and 3, and we can draw with ruler. And closed it, and we can color the first. Here we can draw with ruler here and color the first. We can draw and we can draw here. Color the first. First refers to Ayman, okay, Ayman and Nora. We can color the first here, and we can finish with this step. Color the first, and we can color the first here and close it. We can draw this right behind it, Ayman, and will be Nora. Okay, it was reversed today, and it reversed to number of studying hours. Number of studying hour. Okay. Okay, my students, understood it? Okay, thank you, my students. We must pay attention about all this example and study hard. Okay, goodbye.